Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to service your Mazda CX-3. Regular maintenance is crucial for keeping your vehicle running smoothly and safely for many years. By following a consistent service schedule, you can prevent costly repairs and extend the lifespan of your car. We'll cover essential checks you can do at home, along with recommended professional services to ensure your CX-3 remains in top condition. Let's get started on keeping your Mazda reliable. Next, let's talk about essential fluid checks. You should check your engine oil level and condition every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first. Also, regularly inspect your brake fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant levels to ensure they are within the recommended ranges. Don't forget to keep your windshield washer fluid topped up for clear visibility, especially during adverse weather conditions. These simple checks can prevent many common problems. Now, let's focus on your tires and brakes. It's important to rotate your tires every 7,500 miles to ensure even wear and maximize their lifespan. Remember to check your tire pressure monthly, aiming for 36 psi for optimal handling and fuel efficiency. During every service, have your brake pads and rotors inspected for any signs of wear or damage. Proper tire and brake maintenance is vital for your safety on the road. Finally, let's discuss filters and battery maintenance. For better engine performance and fuel economy, replace your engine air filter every 30,000 miles. To ensure fresh air inside your cabin, change the cabin air filter every 15,000 miles. Additionally, it's a good practice to have your car battery tested annually, especially before winter, to ensure it provides reliable starting power. These steps contribute significantly to your Mazda CX-3 overall health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.